Showbiz fanatics, Alden Richards, abay matapang ni sinagot ang mga katanungang ito patungkol kay Catherine Bernardo. At ano nga ba ang nakapaloob sa balitang ito? But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, ay nais ka po muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga legit viewers, subscribers, tang lahat ng mga legit na nanonood at sumusubaybay sa lahat ng ating mga updates. Maraming salamat po. And for today's video, ayan, pag-usapan natin ito dahil sa previous interview po ni Mr. Alden Richards 3 hours ago ay ipinost ng isang entertainment vlog ang patungkol po sa pagsagot ni Mr. Alden Richards sa kanilang allegedly romance with Catherine Bernardo. Ito po, it was published 3 hours ago. It was written by Cas Lazaro ng Entertainment Cosmopolitan na news. So, narito po ang nilalaman. Unless you've been living under the rock, then you probably heard of all the romantic rumors plaguing Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo. Following several sightings of them getting cozy with each other, ICYMI, the Kapuso actor, was invited to not just one but two of Catherine's birthday parties, one in Palawan and another during a surprise post-birthday celebration. Alden Richards speak about allegedly romance with Catherine Bernardo. Sa isang interview ng Preview in Focus feature featuring Alden, he spoke up more about his connection with the blockbuster star. The friendship, sabi niya, never ended. Naging solid din talaga yung samahan naming lahat when we are filming. And right now, I'm just quite overwhelmed, he shared. Whatever is happening between Kat and I really want it to be personal. At tinanong din po si Mr. Alden Richards tungkol po dun sa kanilang Hello Love Goodbye sequel. Sabi diyan, is a sequel to Hello Love Goodbye in the works? What he did keep mum about, although is the talks of possible sequel of Hello Love Goodbye, leaving eager fans hanging. After all, the film catapulted Alden into a box office star status with the movie once regarded as the highest grossing film in the country before Rewind came. With all the success of his one-time pairing with Kat, Alden looked back the whole enterprise with humility. Di pa ako nakakagawa ng ganong karaming movies before Hello Love Goodbye. Catherine has done a lot of blockbuster film already. By that time, had none of that. Yung kabako was about langit to the moon and back. What if mag-fail? It was really a make or break moment for me, sabi niya. Thankfully, the film was the hit project that it was, bringing him a lot of positive. I was actually surprised with how people react us, Alden said, and I don't want to be the first person to say a lot of things about it, but I'm glad that it is being received well. So bago pa po ilabas or ginagawa pa lang nila yung movie ni Miss Catherine Bernardo, abot langit na po yung kaba ni Mr. Alden Richards kasi ang kanya pong worry, what if hindi po mag-click yung kanila pong love team, kasi napakainit po ng love team ng Katniel that time eh. Pero God is good, talagang ibinigay sa kanya talaga yung favor na tapos sa ginawa pang blockbuster film and this time eto na, pinag-uusapan din ngayon sa Twitter at sa lahat ng social media platform ang patungkol sa sinagot. Sabi niya, as it turned out, the clamor for more Katden project extend beyond Ethan and Joy's word. Netizen went wild when a clip of Alden's gifting Catherine bouquet of flowers and baccarat box spread online. And amidst all of the tabloid headlines speculating about the budding romance between the two of-cam, Alden keep his cool. The friendship never ended. Naging solid din talaga yung samahan naming lahat when we are filming. And right now, I'm just quiet, overwhelmed, he shared. Whatever is happening between Kat and I really want it to be personal. So, talagang there is something between them. If you're going to read between the lines of Alden Richards, meron siyang gustong aminin sa publiko na parang mas minabuti at nagdesisyon sila na parang they need to take it as personal not for a public consumption, hindi para po parang hindi naman po sa nahihiya siya o hindi naman dahil sa ikinahihiya siya, kung hindi parang gusto lang nila na maging personal yun kasi sometimes lalo na kapag sila ay public figure, 'di ba? Kapag in-announce sila sa public na sila na nga, and then something came up and may mga projects po sila na pag isasabak sila sa iba, that's the time na nagkakaroon ng lamat, 'di ba? Yung relationship. Kaya they make it a point na talagang personal na lang, 'di ba? Katulad na nangyayari ngayon sa ibang mga true couple sa showbiz na mas gugustuhin nilang maging private na lang kaysa naman i-announce po sa buong showbiz at sa buong Pilipinas na sila na talaga ang magkarelasyon. Ganun po ngayon yung setup na ginagawa ni Catherine at ni Alden Richards. So medyo kung ano na lang siguro yung manakakita natin sa kanila, katulad po ng isang write-ups na parang spotted po sila. Even sa YouTube, pinag-usapan po yan ng isang showbiz YouTube channel, kung saan pinag-usapan nga nila na itong si Alden at si Miss Catherine Bernardo ay naspatan na nagde-date at nanonood ng sine sa BGC with Alora Sasam. So, yun po yung sinabi ng ilang source na parang nagsiset ng date or nagsiset ng effort itong si Mr. Alden Richards na samahan at nakipag-date nga dito. Pero sabi ng ilang mga viewers and mga netizen na sana daw wala na lang chaperon. No, sana daw si Alden at si Catherine na lang yung lumalakad para po sa kanilang privacy. Pero anyway, syempre, siguro yun din po yung gusto ni Miss Catherine, 'di ba? Nakasama niya si Miss Alora. So anyways, yun po yung ilan sa mga kaganapan ngayon sa buhay ni Alden Richards na hindi man niya tahasang inamin talaga na they are in a relationship right now. But dun sa mga statement na binitawan ni Alden, makikita mo na nagmamanifest na doon na talagang basahin mo na lang yung kanya mga salita, 'di ba? Yung mga lines niya patungkol sa bagay na ito. And hindi naman po para itago nila yan for their whole life. Lalabas at lalabas yung mga yan kahit anong tago po nila, lalo't sikat silang dalawa. At ngayon, kino-congratulate din po ng Philippine Showbiz itong si Alden at si Miss Catherine dahil sila po ay nominee para sa isang prestigious, hindi lang po dun sa dahil sila yung King and Queen of Box Office Queen, 'di ba? Box Office Queen and Box Office King. But of course, they are one of the candidates para doon sa PAMAS Award. So, antayin natin kung ano po yung magiging resulta ng magiging botohan patungkol dyan. Pero si Catherine po is nominee. Ganon din po si Alden Richards is one of the nominee para sa PAMAS Award na ginawa nilang mga movies. Si Catherine, nominee siya for Very Good Girl. Tapos si Mr. Alden naman, doon po sa kanyang movie with Miss Julia Montes. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone.